What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Clicks, the show where we break down simple, smart ways to grow your business online without the overwhelm. I'm Brian from SoFlo Sites, and today we're talking about one of the most common reasons websites fail to convert: unclear calls to action. You can have great design, solid traffic, and strong messaging, but if your visitors don't know exactly what to do next, they won't do anything at all. In this episode, we're breaking down why weak or confusing CTAs cost you leads, the mistakes most businesses make, and how to create clear, confident next steps that actually get clicked. So let's get into it. First, what a CTA really is. A CTA isn't just a button. It's direction. Visitors need permission and clarity to take the next step. What are some common CTA mistakes? Too many CTAs on one page. Vague wording like submit or learn more. Competing actions above the fold. And CTAs that ask for too much too soon. Let's talk about why confusion kills conversions. When users hesitate, they don't choose. They leave. Clarity reduces friction and builds confidence. So what do strong CTAs actually say? Good CTAs set expectations, they reduce anxiety, and they emphasize value. Some examples are: get your free quote, see pricing options, schedule a 15-minute call. So where do CTAs belong? One primary CTA per page, visible above the fold, repeated naturally throughout the page, and supported by trust signals nearby. Here's some quick CTA fixes. Pick one main action per page, rewrite buttons in plain language, match CTA text to user intent, and remove secondary CTAs that distract. Okay, that's a wrap for episode 13 of Coffee and Clicks. Today we covered why unclear calls to action are one of the fastest ways to lose leads, and how simple wording and placement changes can dramatically improve conversions. Remember, if visitors don't know what to do next, they won't do anything at all. If you take just one thing away from this episode, let it be this: one clear action beats 5 confusing options every time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a fellow business owner who might need it. I'm Brian from SoFlo Sites, and I'll see you in the next episode of Coffee and Clicks, where we keep helping you grow smarter, one click at a time.